afternoon, everyone. Out here at the dairy farm, just 2.5 yards, doing some wall repairs. Say hi to the moo cows. Kind of a slower job, but it is what it is. Hopefully my last load for the day. Nice big manure lagoon. That's a lot of poo. It's like a lake. Want to go swimming or fishing in that? Yikes. Pretty simple job. Fill the bucket and wait for them to get empty. Not sure why they don't have me pull up there, but hey, do whatever they want. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I hope you all have a great day.